This is video 7 in the series of the End Area Volume Tool Rock Excavation exercise. We're on step number 49 in the Road 2 manual. Continuing from there, we're going to be continuing also in the cross-section file that we created. So we're in it right now. The step number 50 says choose the Geotechnical Tools. Well, this tool is located under GEOPAK Road Utilities, and then you'll see it's the second option down, Geotechnical. Okay, so brings us to step 51. It says create a new geotechnical data file, and to do that we go to the file pull down and choose the new option in the dialog. It's going to store it in ProjectWise, so we'll click No Wizard and hit OK. And we have to give it a name. And the name that we're going to give it is the Route 179 RTE 179.gtd. And we'll copy that information down to the file name area. And we'll hit save. Okay. Now it's looking for the job number that we're going to use, and we're going to navigate out to our ProjectWise location and grab the 441 GPK. The 10, we'll have to populate that as well. We'll hit the magnifying glass to select the 10, and it goes out to the file the folder I need to be in, which is the job folder data, and it's found my Route 179 existing ground 10. So I will select that, and this dialog's pretty much ready to go. It does say toggle on the override user provided elevation using the 10 file, and that's what we want to do. Okay, so we'll hit that, hit the OK button, and you'll see the name of the banner is now Route 179 GTD. So that finishes up step 51 and brings us to step number 52. In step 52, it says import the borehole location file by going to the location where it's at. Let's see. So we'll say File, Import, CSV, and in Borehole. So that's where it's located. File, Import, CSV, Borehole. It's going to go out to our data folder. Here's the borehole location.brh that we created in the last chapter. We're going to select that, hit the open button, and it will populate all the information and here in regards to the location of our boreholes, the center line location, left and right offsets, where it's all located. So that's all you have to do for step 52. Step 53 has us importing the material. To do that, we go to the same pull down, the File, Import, CSV, Material. Again, it's going to go out to ProjectWise, and it's going to look for that MTL file extension, and that was created in the last video. So we'll go ahead and select that, hit open, and that should be near the bottom. So if we scroll down, you can start seeing some of that. So we're good. So that's step number 53. In step number 54, we create the material 10 by selecting Interpolating surfaces 10 files from the Borehole data tool. So that's a button right here. Interpolating subsurfaces 10 files from Borehole data. A whole lot of information for that icon. So we'll go ahead and select it. It brings up the create 10 files according to material list layers. And in step 55, we're going to verify the material alignment and adjust if necessary by changing the option to material 10 and selecting the modify button to impose changes. So right now I look at it and it has a material name of rock. That's what it's going to create. The 10 type is a drape. We want to change that to material 10, and to do that you have to select the rock, change the type, and just hit modify. Now it's ready to go. The next step is to apply this to create it. What you'll need to do is select the material name again and then hit the apply. And it's went ahead and created it in the background. So what we need to do now is find that file that it created. So we're going to go to our Windows Explorer, and this is located in the DMS, the local DMS folder. So we're going to have to go to the C drive, users folder, your user folder. I'm using mine in this exercise. PY's local electronic plans, the DMS folder, and we're looking for one that is called Rock 10, and there it is. Once you find it, we'll move it off to the side and open up ProjectWise, minimize it a little bit because I want to drag that Rock 10 into ProjectWise. So I'll select it, right click, drag, use no wizard, hit the OK button, and now my Rock 10 is now in my ProjectWise Explorer. That is step number 56 that we just finished, and that concludes video number 7.